Hello, good day. Yes, in this class, we'll be looking at how to carry out multiplication in number base. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at these questions. Imagine we have this, say, find the product of 3, 1, 2, base 4 times 2, 3, base 4. So we'll look at how to do it bit by bit and also to avoid mistakes. Okay, here we have let's write this in base 4. In base 4, the highest digit in base 4 are these. These are the digits that can appear in base 4: 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the available number that can appear in base 4. So that's the first thing that we must know. Then, now let's carry out this operation. This is 3, 1, 2, base 4 times 2, 3, base 4. Now, normally when you are handling multiplication, okay, especially the base we are used to, which is base 10. Now, once we multiply a number and it exceeds the base, so we usually write down the remainder and carry out those number, because in base 10, the highest digit in base 10 is 9. So in base 4, the highest digit is 3. So what we do here is that we start multiplication from this unit digit here, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So let's see how we manipulate this. Now we are looking at how many 4 are contained in 6. That is 1 4. We say 1 4 multiply 1 plus a remainder of what? Remainder of 2. So we will always write down this remainder. So we'll put down this remainder 2 here. For this one, we will add it to the next result. So the next one is 3 times 1, which is 3, plus this one here, make it 4. And 4 here is 4 times 1 plus remainder of 0. Remember, we'll always write that remainder. So here we'll put 0. This one will add it to the next result. The next one is 3 multiply 3, which is 9, plus this particular one here. That make it 10. So let's look at how we can express 4 as 10. So 4 times 2 plus 2, that makes 10. So this is the remainder. We'll put down the remainder here, 2. Remainder we have 2 here. Now because there's no other number here, we'll get to multiply. So all we need to do is just to bring this to the left. So we have done with multiplying with 3. So let's go with 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now what is 4? Anytime we multiply 4 here, this is what we write down. Remember that was 0. Write down 0. Then this one here, we're going to add it to the next result. We are writing this under the tens digit because the 2 we're using to multiply is on the tens digits. So here 2 times 1 is 2. So this particular one, we have to add it to it to make it 3. 3 which also follow within this range. Okay. So the next one is 2 times 3, which is 6. So what is 6 here? 6 here is, we put down the remainder of 2. Then this one here, we move it forward here. So the next thing we're going to add now. So let's add here. 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, so which is part of this. 0 plus 0 is 0, which is also part of this solution. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. It's not part of this solution. So let's find equivalent form of 5 in base 2. In base 4. This one means 4 times 1 plus 1. Remember, we always write that the remainder as the answer. So here will be 1. Okay. This one, once we carry out this addition, we add the 1 to it. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus this one, and make it 5. So here again, that means we're going to write down 1. Okay, then we add this 1 to this result here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now remember, you're operating in base 4. Always indicate the base. So these are to carry out multiplication in number base, especially in the base we are dealing with other than the base we are used to, which is then at the base 10. Please, if you find this video very useful, please help me subscribe, like, share, comment, and also follow my page. See you in my next virtual class.